Hello, this is David Dion from Whole Home Inspections, phxinspect.com. I just wanted to talk real quick about laundry and bathroom ventilation. I report about it every once in a while in my inspections. Come across poor ventilation or a fan not installed or without a window or something to vent moisture. And this is a good example of why it's good to have a fan or window to vent moisture in bathrooms. This is a master bathroom, and as you can see above me here, it's kind of throughout. And as a home inspector, I'm not legally allowed to say mold. However, I can say possible microbial growth and then suggest further evaluation by lab testing to determine if that is in fact mold growing. And then I will also suggest proper removal and then proper ventilation be added. Again, Dave Dion, Whole Home Inspections, phxinspect.com. Have a good day.